Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Exciting times. Bitcoin all-time highs and all-time highs again. Let's do it. So, quick update here. There seems to be a lot of frenzy and people trying to figure out where's the top, what's going on, where do we sell our bags. So I am just here to be a voice of reason. All right, there's no reason to get excited, although these are exciting times. But when you are trading, the last thing you want to do is to be excited. Do not be excited because it will make you do the wrong things, all right? So we have these levels here. We were talking about these on Discord, including this level here. Uh, One of our more senior traders hopped in there like a champ. Uh, so is the end near? It might be. Who knows? Nobody knows. But what I would suggest is that as price is moving along, we're building up support and just watch and see if support holds. Use everything that you know and make sure that you're constantly adding to your chart and you're facilitating your own process of learning as opposed to wondering what's going on. Instead of getting very anxious, just think about it, all right? Right now, the bulls are obviously in charge. If we take a look at volume, it is heavily decreasing on the way up here. On the higher time frames, you can really get a good idea of just how volume is decreasing. You can see it. Let me just get this out of the way here. On the previous all-time high, uh, and you can see it here. All right, so volume is decreasing. If we take a peek at our any momentum indicator, doesn't matter which one, you be the judge of that. Relative strength, you're starting to see these bearish diversions here on the 1 hour chart. If we zoom out onto the 4 hour chart, you see that it looks a little bit different because we haven't quite hit a high yet. There's no real pullback. So time will tell, all right, if we're going to get divs here or not. If we look on the daily chart, all right, it's business as usual. It looks fantastic right now. Although we do have, our volume is not looking quite as spectacular as one would hope, but it looks really good. All right, not quite as good as it was back here uh, on the March pump, but it's not that bad. All right, so we really have to just zoom out a little bit, relax. We don't have any confirmed divs yet. We got to see what kind of candle we put in. Most likely tomorrow. The market will be closing in a few hours. So the new daily candle will print and then we take it from there. All right, if you are looking to get in on any positions here, personally, I couldn't short this. It's also very difficult to long this, but if you are looking at the lower time frames, you can start to map out all of these support and resistance zones, all right? And they will give you some opportunities, all right? If you do get in, get out, or at least get in and take profit quick, shore up your stop loss, be very responsible, all right? Good risk management is the key. And that's all I can say about that. Remember, this is not financial advice, nor am I a financial advisor, all right? But that's how you want to play this. Make sure you find good levels. Look, demand zone here. We've got a rally, base rally. It's also a, you can't really call it a full-on order block there, but there's no structure for it to take, correct? But it really does get price moving to the upside. This is a great origin candle here. Price comes into that, gives you that great reaction. You can look to take advantage of these moves. It's not something I would be looking to swing trade, but that is a heck of a trade for a Thursday afternoon. So that's about it. I just really want to implore you to be calm and think about this, all right? What would you want to see for a turnaround? Well, you have to start seeing price putting in lower lows and lower highs, and then you would think about an internal market structure shift. It's not going to be a swing shift until we get a lot lower from here. But if we start putting in lower highs and then we come and take out this low and, start pushing downwards, then we can really think about looking for potential short positions. And that's really it. It's just be calm, be cool. I know nobody likes calm and cool on YouTube. Everybody wants people freaking out and yelling, we're going to 150K. But, nobody really knows. Just listen to what the charts are telling you. Become the chart whisperer, all right? That is the key. So that's going to do it, guys. I still see us going a bit higher. I shouldn't have said that's going to do it because I'll just do one more thing here. A zone that I'm very interested in is just above us here. So I'll be very interested in watching for reaction off of this, but you've got your low, your high, your low, and we are approaching our 1618 Fibonacci extension. So that is a level to be watching at $100,174.50. And if that fails, the nice measured move up the 1 to 2 extension. But that is really a decent looking place right now. And that's about all we can do right now is project with Fibonacci and watch volume, watch order flow if you're on exo charts, and watch out for your momentum indicators. But be careful, these always print some sort of divergence when we just keep putting in higher highs and higher highs and higher highs. I mean, look at that. It's at that previous high is up at 89. It's pretty much up at 90. So to get a momentum indicator up that high, it's not an easy thing to do. So we're definitely going to be getting divs. Are they always going to play out? No. Is it something we have to be cautious of? Yes. We have to pay attention to it and act accordingly. So again, when we do see a shift in market structure, when we get changes of character to the downside, then we can look to start thinking about that, all right? So with these little pullbacks here, although people really think that the end is near because it's $3,000, it's just $3,000. It's not a big deal. Really not a big deal. Look at that daily candle. Look at that. From the open to where we are now, we're up $8,275, all right? So $3,000 pullback, not a big deal. All right, just take your time, relax, chart. And if you start feeling uneasy about things, take a break. Go outside, get some fresh air, go to the gym, take your girlfriend out for a coffee. Do something, all right? Get your mind off of the charts. And if you really can't do that, then just chart, all right? Look for everything. See what you can find in this price action that you've learned. Look for order blocks, look for fair value gaps, look for reasons to find support, and don't look for the negative reasons of, oh my God, it's coming down. All right, so that really is going to do it. All right, again, not financial advice. If you like this, join our Discord, link in the description where you can see us live trade New York Open. And we also have special events on Wednesdays and Sundays. Those are for VIP members, but it's a great time. Thank you. Be safe, be well, and remember, no stress. This is not a business where you want to be highly emotional. Very controlled emotions. Take care.